This strange friendship has an incredibly bizarre backstory. This bear, lion, and tiger are collectively known as BLT, and while they're typically opposing predators in the wild, these are best friends. In 2001, police raided a home in Atlanta, Georgia, looking for a criminal but found 3 frightened cubs infected with parasites in the basement of the home. They were sent to an animal sanctuary and arrived so frightened they were clinging on to one another for comfort, so the sanctuary put them in the same enclosure. Typically, animals from different species that form bonds together grow apart as they get older, but not BLT. Despite being in a 3-acre enclosure, the trio wouldn't leave each other's sides, eating together, playing, napping, and snuggling. One caregiver said they're usually within 100 feet of each other, coexisting and really do enjoy each other's company. All that trauma they experienced together made them inseparable, and they stayed that way for 15 years, until the lion and tiger sadly passed away. But Balu the bear has all the support he needs and is reportedly happy and healthy.